Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about two universities have started CSC scholarship admissions, and a lot of universities have started CSC scholarship admissions, and one by one we discuss in our different videos. So let's start. So type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you come over, you can see our website, cscguideofficial.com. If you want to get the samples of documents, documents which required for the Chinese government scholarships, then you can click here. And other universities like other scholarships and universities faculty link, you can find it. So we will discuss after clicking on this. You can go to the CSC scholarship admissions and you can see all these universities have started admissions, so you can get the detail here. Okay, now today we discuss Yanbian University first, and after that we discuss Yangzhou University. So let's start. Yanbian University Chinese government scholarship, and you can say Yanbian Chinese government scholarship and fully funded, and Yanbian University master and PhD students. This is for master and PhD students, fully funded, 3,000 RMB for master, 3,500 RMB for PhD. Apply online and then send documents to the university. 30th of March 2020 is the last date. But if you still confused about that, about this, and that you don't send your documents to the university, so ask from the university. Maybe they exempt it. Okay, so eligibility criteria is all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can also apply with English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. So how you apply for this scholarship? First you fill the CSC online application form, upload all required documents, and no application fee. Result will be announced at the end of June or July, so it depends on university. Okay, send documents to the university. Click here if you click here to fill the CSC online application portal. How you fill the online application form, you can click here, and if you want to see the video in English, then click here. And if you want to apply for Shanghai Southwest Jiaotong University SWGO2 President Scholarship, you can click here and get the detail about this. Okay, how which documents required for this scholarship? 2 sets of complete documents for this scholarship here. Okay, first you fill the online application form, and this is the agency number, 2 recommendation letter, transcript, highest degree, physical examination form, study plan, passport photocopy, and CD of your own work, and 8 photos. They required 8 photos with white background, and the photo size is 3.5 centimeter to multiply by 3.5 by 5.3 centimeters. So make your photos regarding this. So English proficiency certificate, this is the mailing address which you send your documents to the university, and click here to go to the official advertisement of this university if you want to check the official advertisement of Yanbian University. So this is the link of the university, and you can see the 30th of March is the deadline, and I hope I think in this university not a lot of students not can apply more than 50 or 30 or 40 students. I think very some students apply, some students are applying this university, very low ratio the students which apply. So now we came forward to the next university, which is the next university, and the next university is Yangzhou University. So when you click here, you can get the scholarship detail here. You can see Chinese government scholarships, Yangzhou University master and PhD student. This is for this scholarship is for master and PhD students, fully funded, 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD students. Online apply and send documents to the university. 30th of April 2020 is the last date. Okay, this is the good chance for you. All international students can apply. Age limit is 35 and for PhD is 40 years. And you can see how you apply for this scholarship. First you fill the CSC online application form, click here, and if second you fill the Yangzhou University online application form, click here. How you fill the CSC application form, you can click here, and how you fill the university application form, you can click here. Okay, upload all required documents. No application for CSC scholarship, because this university have also have a university scholarship. So for the university scholarship they demand fee. How much fee they not mention on their website. When you fill the online application form for university scholarship and on the university portal, then they automatically shown on their university portal. Okay, result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, now go forward. Okay, if you want to apply for Daniel Technical University Silk Road Scholarship Program and Chinese Government Scholarship Program, you can also click here and go to the advertisement. Okay, which documents required for this scholarship? Send two sets of documents to the university. Just first you fill CSC online application form. Click here. First you fill the CSC application form, and second you fill the Yangzhou online application form. For CSC application form, you can click here, and for CSC application form, you can click University portal. For online Yangzhou University online application portal, you can click here. Okay, two recommendation letter, transcript, highest diploma. All these documents are same, but they prefer those students who have acceptance letter. If you have acceptance letter from this university, then you can your chances are high. If you want to get the list of supervisor for master and PhD, you can click here. This is the mail address in which you send your documents. Okay, this is a clip official advertisement of the university. So hope so you like this video, and the universities have started deadline. We will make videos as possible as can. So stay connected with us. If you want to get the more information about this, then subscribe our YouTube channel and go and visit our website cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care.